All right. Hey, everybody. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about field work. So because this is a methods course and it's a literacy course and you're all going to be teachers, field work is an important part of this course. Because I can tell you things and you can read about things, but if you don't see them actually being practiced by real teachers, it just won't have the impact and help you become your own teacher. So anyway, on Blackboard, you will see the fieldwork documentation. It looks like this. It's the assignment. And the first thing is you'll be graded on 4 points for actually going to fieldwork and documenting that. You will see you will be evaluated on two things. First, quality of time. So how much time per week? If you want full credit, we're looking to 3 to 4 hours a week for 10 weeks. So that's 30 hours during the semester. And hopefully, for many of you, this will be an easy thing. Also, you'll be asked to see a range of different teachers, a range of different classes. So if you're always seeing the same class over and over and over again, then you're really not going to get a depth of how teaching really looks. So that's task one. Task two is you are going to have to do some work with students, and you're going to come up with something called 10 things a future teacher should know about teaching high schoolers. You'll work with a group of students. It could be a whole class, could be a couple, but I really want you to get student voices and talk to students. What do they think is important for future teachers? Task three is you're going to be doing 3 reflections, very short reflections, and on the assignment sheet that I'm giving you, you'll have a range of different topics. So as you're observing, I want you to be looking out for specific things. I've given you a topic, or I've given you maybe 8 to 10 things that I would like you to look for, but this is not an exhaustive list. You can add things as well. Task 4 is I'd like you to interview a teacher. So pick a topic and interview, and it could be the teacher that you're observing. It could be another teacher, and I've given you some topics for that. And the last task is task 5, where I'd like you to engage in one teaching opportunity. That could be a small group, a whole class, working one-on-one. So some way that you're engaged in teaching. You don't have to write an official lesson plan, but I just want to see what did you do and what did you do and what did you learn with literacy in mind. So if you're teaching a math lesson, how did literacy look in math? Or if you're teaching social studies, think really about the reading, writing, speaking, and listening that is part of that lesson. So the most important thing for you today is to think, where are you going to do your field work? If you already know where you're going to do your field work, please let me know. If you need help, please also let me know. So that is the field work component of this course.